PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. It is a specialized computer-based control system used in industrial automation and control applications. PLCs are designed to monitor inputs, make decisions based on a program or logic, and control outputs to automate various processes. The primary purpose of a PLC is to control and monitor machinery or equipment in industries such as manufacturing, oil and gas power generation, and more. PLCs are utilized to automate repetitive and complex tasks, improve efficiency, enhance safety, and increase productivity. A PLC consists of several components, including a processor or CPU, input modules, output modules, communication modules, and a programming interface. The processor executes a program stored in memory, which consists of ladder logic, a graphical programming language that represents the control logic as virtual relay circuits. Input modules receive signals from various sensors and devices such as temperature sensors, pressure transmitters, limit switches, and more. The PLC analyzes these inputs and makes decisions based on the programmed logic. The output modules then activate actuators or control devices such as motors, valves, pumps, and solenoids to perform desired actions based on the control logic. PLCs offer flexibility, reliability, and ease of programming, allowing for quick reconfiguration and modification without requiring hardware changes. They can interface with other systems and devices through various communication protocols, making them an integral part of modern industrial automation systems. In summary, PLCs are computer-based control systems used in industrial automation to monitor and control machinery and processes. They play a crucial role in improving efficiency, productivity, and safety in various industries.